Hello friends, we are going to discuss final answer key of JNKVV and RVSKVV MSc entrance exam. So we start from question number 1. Agriculture based on the principle grow it and eat it is called as. The options are sustainable agriculture, stable agriculture, subsistence agriculture and shifting agriculture. The right answer is subsistence agriculture. We are going on next question. Kazri is located at. Options are Jodhpur, Jhansi, Karnal, Hyderabad. The right answer is Jodhpur. Next question is seed setting in sunflower can be improved by. Options are borax spray, increase the dose of nitrogen, irrigation, pesticide spray. The right answer is borax spray. Next question is expand SSI. It is related to sugarcane. The first option is Sustainable Sugarcane Initiative. Second option is Sustainable Sugarcane Intensification. Third option is System of Sugarcane Intensification. And the fourth option is System of Sugarcane Initiative. The right answer is Sustainable Sugarcane Intensification. This method is given by Tamil Nadu Agriculture University for sowing of sugarcane. Next question is irrigation method recommended for undulated topography. The options are sprinkler, subsurface, drip irrigation and surge irrigation. The right option is sprinkler irrigation. Next question is the tillage operation done after planting but before the crop emergence is called as. Options are zero tillage, blind tillage, stable mulch and conservation tillage. The right answer is blind tillage. Next question is give an example for non-selective herbicide. Options are atrazine, glyphosate, 2,4-D and pendimethalin. The right answer is glyphosate. Or in addition of glyphosate, paraquat and diquat are also non-selective herbicide, and atrazine, 2,4-D and pendimethalin are selective herbicides. The next question is the monsoon by which India receives maximum rainfall. Options are northeast monsoon, southwest monsoon, northwest monsoon and southeast monsoon. The right option is southwest monsoon. It is also known as grand period of rainfall in India. And in Tamil Nadu, the rainfall is received 60% rainfall is received by northeast monsoon. Next question is World Meteorological Day is observed on. Options are 5th June, 18 April, 23 March and 30 June. The right answer is 23 March. Next question is it is the point at which total revenue and total cost are equal. The options are equilibrium point, shutdown point, break-even point and total cost plus total revenue. The right answer is break-even point. Is marketed surplus will be more in case of. Options are rice, jowar, gram, cotton. The marketed surplus is the actual quantity we are selling in market after the fulfill our family requirement. The right answer is cotton. Next question is risk taking is a function of. Options are agent middleman, merchant middleman, speculation and facilitative. The right answer is speculation. Question is best suited method for arriving depression of machineries is. Options are straight line method, diminishing balance method, increasing balance method, capital recovery factors. Options are diminishing balance method. Next question is closed tender system is followed in. Options are farmer markets, regulated markets, monopoly market and village standing. The right answer is regulated market. The next question is project appraisal is done. Options are before implementing the project, after the end of the project period, before preparing the project, in the middle of the implemented period. Option answer is before implementing the project. Next question is QSC rent is denoted as. Options are total revenue earned minus total variable cost, total revenue earned plus total variable cost. Third option is total revenue earned upon total variable cost. Fourth option is total revenue earned upon total fixed cost. The right answer is total revenue earned minus total variable cost. The next question is export import policy announced by. Options are first Ministry of Trade, second option is Ministry of External Affairs, third option is Ministry of Commerce and Industry, fourth option is Ministry of Finance. The right answer is Ministry of Commerce and Industry. The next question is the plan of work arranged chronologically. Options are program, project, calendar of work and situation. The right answer is calendar of work. The next question is it is a process by which a person becomes change its behavior through self activity. Options are teaching, second option learning, third option education, fourth option extension. The right answer is learning. Next question is Sri Niketan project is given by Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rabindranath Tagore and fourth option is Heard. The right answer is Rabindranath Tagore. It is given at 1921. The next question is first KVK was established at. The options are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Pondicherry and Andhra Pradesh. It is first KVK was started in Pondicherry in 1974 under the Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. The next question is the term sociology was coined by. Options are Rogers, Auguste Comte, Kimball Young and F.H. Fielding. The right answer is Auguste Comte. The term sociology was given by Auguste Comte. The father of mass communication studies. Options are Wilbur, Simon Knapp, William Stewart and Liggins. The right answer is Wilbur. Father of mass communication studies Wilbur. Next question is method used to show the worthiness of the technology is known as. Options are lecture, result demonstration, campaign, television. The right answer is result demonstration. The next question is experimental learning. Options are non-exposure of study, no trial and error learning, more theoretical aspect, learning by doing. The right answer is learning by doing. Experimental learning specific semiochemicals are known as. Options are allelochemicals, pheromones, allomones and pheromones. Options right answer is allelochemicals. The next question is vertical resistance in plant against stem insect is. Options are major gene resistance, minor gene resistance, oleogene resistance, polygenic gene resistance. The right answer is major gene resistance and the horizontal resistance plant against insect is known as minor gene resistance. Next question is in which of the following stored grain insect pest the infection is carried over from field to storage. The options are cigarette beetle, drug stone beetle, angumois grain moth and sawtooth grain beetle. The right option is sawtooth grain beetles. Next question is phytosanitary treatment are done by the pest control firm authorized by RPQS, PPQS, DSC, NB, BGR. The right answer is DPPQS. The next question is destructive insect pest DIAP Act was passed in the year. Options are 1912, 1930, 1914, 1950. The right answer is 1914. The next question is the transgenic crop approved for commercial cultivation in India is. Options are mustard, cotton, paddy, sugarcane. The right answer is cotton. But according to answer key of JNQ and RVSQV, the answer is mustard. The next question is an example for monophagous pest is. Options are mango nut weevil, rice leaf folder, sweet potato whitefly, American bollworm. The answer is mango stone weevil. And monophagous pests are the pests which attack only one single crop is known as monophagous pest, and the polyphagous pests are the pests which damage more than one or two crops are known as polyphagous pest. The next question is vector of pigeon pea sterility mosaic virus. Options are Apis crassiora, Rhaptotus pedistris, Acris kejani and Bemisia tabaci. The right answer is Acris kejani. But vector of pigeon pea stolidity mosaic virus is Escherichia kezani, and maximum leaf curl virus are transmitted by Bemisia tabaci. The next question is nucleopoly virus. The next question is nucleopolyhydrosis virus (NPV) is infected against. Options are Homopterian insect, Lepidopterian insect, Dipterian insect, and all insect. The right option is Lepidopterian insect. The next question is the gametic chromosome number of any species is called. Options are diploid, monoploid, haploid, polyploid. The right answer is haploid. The next question is DMSO is used as a. Options are gelling agent, alkylating agent, chelating agent, and cryoprotectant. The right answer is cryoprotectant. Next question is hybrid are produced by. Options are fusion of two different nuclei from two different species. Second option is fusion of two nuclei from same species. Third option is retention of nucleus of one species but fusion of cytoplasm of two different species. The fourth option is retention of cytoplasm of one species but fusion of nucleus of two species. The right answer is retention of nucleus of one species but fusion of cytoplasm of two different species. हाइब्रिड्स आर प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय. इसमें क्या करते हैं कि जो न्यूक्लियस होता है वो तो सिंगल स्पेसिस का रहता है, बट जो साइटोप्लाज्म में जब फ्यूजन होता है ना वो दो स्पेसिस का होता है, तो उससे हाइब्रिड बनती है. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज एन ए न्यू वेराइटी विच इज टू बी रिजेक्टेड अंडर पीपीवी एंड एफआर एक्ट इज कॉल्ड एज. ऑप्शंस आर एग्जाम्पल वेराइटी, एक्सटेंड वेराइटी, कैंडिडेट वेराइटी, and reference variety. The right answer is candidate variety. Next question is, if the distance between the gene AC is 5, AB is 12, BC is 7, then the correct order of genes on the chromosome is. The options are ABC, the sequence is BCA, BSC, and fourth is ACB. The right answer is ACB. Because the we calculate AC is equals to 5, AB is 12, and BC is equals to 7. So the distance between AC is 5, and between the B and C is 7. When we add 5 and 7, the answer is 12. So the distance between A and B is known as 12 in fourth option. So the right answer is fourth, ACB. Next question is, in sporophytic self-incompatibility, control of the self-incompatibility reaction of the pollen is. The options are paternal, maternal, fraternal, and environmental. The right answer is maternal. Next question is, the stage in which chromosome segregation takes place is. The options are metaphase first, anaphase first, anaphase second, metaphase second. The right answer is anaphase first. The segregation of chromosome takes place in anaphase first, and the best stage for the study of chromosome is metaphase first. In is high cytobinding to auxin ratio promotes. Options are shoot regeneration, root regeneration, somatic embryos, callus induction. The right answer is shoot regeneration. The next question is, the seeds which are dried to low moisture content and stored at low temperature without any loss in viability rate. The options are orthodox seeds, recalcitrant seeds, hard seeds, and deformed seeds. The right answer is orthodox seeds. ऑर्थोडॉक्स सीड्स क्या होते हैं? जिनको अपन लंबे समय तक स्टोर कर सकते हैं सीड को, उनकी वाइबिलिटी ख़त्म नहीं होती, वो लो टेम्परेचर और लो मॉइस्चर पर उनको स्टोर कर सकते हैं. और जो रिकैल्सिट्रेंट सीड्स होते हैं उनको हम अगर हम उनको लॉन्ग टाइम तक अगर उनको अपन स्टोरेज करेंगे तो उनकी वाइबिलिटी ख़त्म हो जाएगी. उनको अपन सिर्फ 1 या 2 हफ्तों तक स्टोर कर सकते हैं. The next question is, the method of crop varietal development application to both self and cross-pollinated species is. Options are single seed descent, synthetic development, pedigree selection, heterosis breeding. The right option is heterosis breeding. The next question is, which of the following is called as plant destroy fungus? The options are Capnodium, Phytophthora, Xyleria, Pilobolus. The right answer is Phytophthora. So which of the following called as a plant destroy fungus? Answer is Phytophthora. The next question is, Metalaxyl group of fungicides are recommended for. Options are erysipelas, peronosporals, and molineals and mucorales. The right answer is peronosporals, and downy mildew comes under peronosporal. For the treatment of downy mildew, we use metalaxyl group of fungicide, and the trade name of metalaxyl group of fungicide are Redomil MZ, and powdery mildew including erysipelas. For the treatment of erysipelas powdery mildew, we use sulfur fungicide. Example, Keratin. The next question is, groundnut bud necrosis virus is transmitted by thrips in a. Options are non-persistent manner, semi-persistent, propagative manner, bimodal types. The right answer is propagative manner. The next question is, which of the following statements is not correct? Options are facilitoxin is produced by Pseudomonas spring variety Facilonicola. The second option is entoxin is produced by Alternaria alternata. The third option is Vectorian is produced by Coccolobolus vectorii. The fourth option is Tebetoxin is produced by Alternaria tabaci. The right answer is Tebetoxin is produced by Alternaria tabaci. The next question is, Bordeaux mixture was an accidental discovered for. Options are downy mildew of grapes, powdery mildew of grapes, lead blight of potato, anthracnose of grapes. The right answer is downy mildew of grapes. The Bordeaux mixture was discovered by Millardet. The right answer is. The next question is, the tDNA of Agrobacterium tumefaciens has. Options are gene for melanin, hypoplasia gene, hypertrophia genes, gene for opin synthesis. The right answer is gene for opin synthesis. The tDNA of Agrobacterium tumefaciens has gene for opin synthesis. The next question is, the bacterial biocontrol agent used to control the crown gall of stone fruit is. Options are Agrobacterium tumefaciens, Agrobacterium radiobacter K1026, Pseudomonas fluorescens PF1, Bacillus subtitles BBV57. The right answer is Agrobacterium radiobacter K1026. The bacterial biocontrol agent used to control the crown gall of stone fruit is bacterium radiobacter. Next question is, the gene for gene hypothesis was first established during 1946 in. Options are Neurospora setaphila, Phytophthora infestans, Melanospora racini, Melanospora lini. The options is, the right answer is Melanospora lini. The next question is, the CN ratio of composed core pith is around. Options are 12:1, 50:1, 112:1, and fourth option is 24:1. The right answer is 24:1. The CN ratio of composed core pith is around 24:1, and the CN ratio of FIM is 20:30:1. The next question is, arrange the following fertilizer according to their solubility: urea, ammonium nitrate, and ammonium sulfate. The options are urea, ammonium nitrate, and ammonium sulfate. The second option is ammonium nitrate, ammonium sulfate, and urea. The third option is urea, ammonium sulfate, and ammonium nitrate. The fourth option is ammonium sulfate, ammonium nitrate, and urea. The right answer is urea, ammonium nitrate, and ammonium sulfate. Arrange the following fertilizer according to the solubility: urea and ammonium nitrate and ammonium sulfate. The most solubility is for urea, then after ammonium nitrate, then after ammonium sulfate. The next question is, nitrogen fixation is a. Options are biological reduction process, biological oxidation process, reduction process, oxidation process. The right answer is biological reduction process. The next question is, volatilization process mainly occur in alkaline soil, acid soils, saline soils, neutral soils. The right answer is alkaline soil, and The volatilization process mainly occurs in alkaline soil, and the maximum loss of nitrogen in the form of volatilization, around 60% loss of nitrogen due to volatilization process. The next question is soil test crop response. STCR model is based on options are inductive approach, crop logging, deductive approach, DRIS. The right answer is inductive approach. The next question is an example for ferrous magnesium mineral. The options are quartz, feldspar, calcite, pyroxene. The right answer is pyroxene. The next question is fluffy paddy soil can be managed using options are application of red soil, rolling stone roller, application of black soil, application PF organic manures. The right answer is rolling stone roller. The fluffy paddy soil can be managed using rolling stone roller. The next question is what is the current fruit production in India? Options are more than 60 million tons. The second option is more than 70 million tons. The third option is more than 80 million tons. And the fourth option is more than 90 million tons. The right answer is more than 90 million tons. What is the current fruit production in India? The more than 90 million tons. The next question is the first dioecious papaya variety developed with red flags. The options are CO2, Pusa delicious, Adhika Prabhat, CO8. The right answer is CO8, and the Pusa delicious is a Gyrodinosaurus variety of papaya. The next question is bean oil is extracted from which part of drumsticks? Options are leaves, second option is stem, third option seeds, and fourth option is fruit flesh. The right answer is seeds. The bean oil is excreted from this part of drumstick. The answer is seeds. Question number 65. An often cross-pollinated crop. The options are tomato, peas, sward beans, and fourth option is okra. The right answer is okra. An often cross-pollinated crop is okra. The next question is removal of an inflorescence and branches in oil palm is known as. Options are ablation, thinning, pruning, and notching. The right answer is ablation. The next question is study of tea is known as. Options are chemology, tessiology, teology, and teology. The right answer is tessiology. The study of tea is known as tessiology. The next question is Delhi Crossandra is propagated by. Options are seeds, cutting, suckers, and slaves. The right answer is cutting. The next question is where is the National Research Center for Orchids situated? Options are Bangalore, Andaman and Nicobar, Sikkim, Trivandrum. The right option is Sikkim. So, the National Research Center for Orchids is situated at Sikkim. The next question is Central Dogma of Life was proposed by. Options are Creek, Sweden, Swan, and Skoog. The right answer is Creek. The Central Dogma of Life was proposed by Creek. The next question is identify the wrong statement. Options are the vitamin universally required in tissue culture medium is thiamine. It is a wrong answer. The second, it is a wrong statement. The second option is the carbon source widely used in tissue culture medium is sucrose. It is also a wrong statement. The options are third, the gelling agent widely used in tissue culture medium is agar. It is also a wrong statement. The right statement is the pH condition of tissue culture medium is alkaline. So the pH condition of tissue culture medium is alkaline. It is the right statement. The next question is Cloverleaf model explains the structure of mRNA, tRNA, asRNA, rRNA. The right answer is tRNA. The Cloverleaf model explains the structure of tRNA. The next question is Flavor Saver, the GM variety of tomato, has property herbicide tolerant, disease resistant, delay ripening, and insect resistant. The right answer is delay ripening. In the Flavor Saver variety of tomato, we carry the gene from. The next question is cDNA lacks. Options are intron, genes, exon, restriction sites. The right answer is intron. The cDNA lacks introns. The next question is gene present in the commercialized second generation BT cotton in India is. Options are Cry1AC, option 2 Cry1AC plus Cry2AB. The option is Cry AB plus Cry2AC. Option 4 Cry1AB. The right answer is Cry1AC plus Cry2AB. But the gene present in commercialized second generation BT in India is Cry1AC plus Cry2AB. But in the gene present in the commercialized first generation BT cotton in India is Cry1AC only. The next question is choose correct statement. Options are friable callus provide inoculum for cell suspension culture. Option second protoplasma provide inoculum for cell suspension culture. Option third anther culture provide inoculum for cell suspension culture. Option 4 embryo culture provide inoculum for cell suspension culture. The right answer is first friable callus provide inoculation for cell suspension culture. It is a right statement. Next question is bioreactors are. Options are primary metabolites, tertiary metabolites, secondary metabolites, and quaternary metabolites. The right answer is secondary metabolites. The bioreactors are secondary metabolites. The next question is the nutrient element present in cysteine and methionine is. Options are iron, option 2 chlorine, sulfur and copper. The right answer is sulfur. Sulfur element is responsible for cysteine and methionine. The next question is of the total transpiration, the cuticular transpiration account for percentage. Options are 20%, 25%, 15% and 10%. The answer according to answer key of RVSK and RVSK, JNKVB and RVSKVB is 10%, but according to Nemra Sundar it is 20%. The next question is net gain of ATP molecule in complete oxidation or breakdown of one molecule of glucose is. The options are 26 ATP, 38 ATP, 34 ATP and 32 ATP. So the net gain of ATP molecule in complete oxidation and breakdown of one molecule of glucose is 38 ATP. The next question is tomato is a short day plant, long day plant, day neutral plant and short long day plant. The right answer is day neutral plant. The tomato is a day neutral plant. The next question is high stress protein or specific protein include under. Options are drought stress, chilling stress, salt stress, high temperature stress. The right option is high temperature stress. So, high stress protein or specific protein include under high temperature stress. The next question is sixth class of growth hormone is. Options are brasinosteroid, polyamines, salicylic acid and jasmonic acid. The right answer is brasinosteroid. The sixth class of growth hormone is brasinosteroid. And the third generation hormone of insect is juveline hormone. The next question is phytochrome PR from is converted into PFR from during. Options are dark condition, light period, sunset period and twilight. Right option is dark condition. The phytochrome PR from is converted into PFR from during dark condition. The next question is expand LEA proteins. Options are late embryonic advanced. Second option is late endoplasmic abundant. The third option is late embryogenesis abundant. Fourth option is late endosperm abundance. The right answer is late embryogenesis abundant. To expand LEA protein is late embryogenesis abundant. The next question is during refrigeration heat is rejected in. Options are condenser, option 2 compressor, option 3 evaporator, option 4 expansion device. The right answer is condenser. So during refrigeration heat is rejected in condenser. The next question is in summer air condition the air is. Options are cooled and humidified, heated and dehumidified, cooled and dehumidified and heated and dehumidified. The right answer is cooled and dehumidified. The next question is centrifugal discharge is mostly used in. Options are belt conveyor, bucket conveyor, chain conveyor and screw conveyor. The right answer is bucket conveyor. The centrifugal discharge is commonly used in bucket conveyor. The next question is commercially used as sterlant in active packaging? The options are hydrogen peroxide, carbon dioxide, oxygen and nitrogen. The right answer is hydrogen peroxide is commercially used as a sterlant in active packaging. The next question is gravitational and centrifugal force are combined in. The options are cyclone separator, filtration, centrifugal separator and sedimentation. The right answer is cyclone separator. The gravitational and centrifugal force are combined in cyclone separator. The next question is process of removal of air from cane is called as. Options are leading, exhausting, vacuum creation and sucking. The right answer is exhausting. The process of removal of air from cane is called a exhausting. The next question is unit of viscosity is. Options are Newton per second meter square. The option 2 is Newton per second. The option 3 is Newton meter per square and the option 4 is Newton meter square. The right answer is Newton second per meter square. The unit of viscosity is Newton second per meter square. The options are. The next question is accepting null hypothesis when it is false is. Options are type 1 error, type 2 error, sampling error, experimental error. The right answer is type 2 error. The accepting the null hypothesis when it is a false is type 2 error. The next question is the relative growth rate of W is equals to AE/BT is. Options are A, option 2 is B, option 3 is BT and option 4 is T. The right answer is B. The next question is a point at which the function attains neither maximum or minimum is called. Options are saddle point, minimum point, maximum point and extreme point. The right option is saddle point. The point at which the function attains neither maximum or nor minimum is called saddle point. The next question is Malthus parameter is related to. Options are linear model, quadratic model, exponential model and non-linear model. The right answer is exponential model and Malthus also give a population theory. The next question is Fourier coefficient range from. Options are 0 to 1, option 2 is minus 1 to plus 1, option 3 is 0 to 100, option 4 is 100 to minus 100. The right answer is second, minus 1 to plus 1. The correlation coefficient range from minus 1 to plus 1. The next question is variance is 64, then the standard deviation is. Options are 7, 8, 9, 10. The right answer is 8. The variance is square root of standard deviation. So the square root of 64 is 8. The next question is if experimental field the fertility gradient in one direction, then design used. Options are CRD, RVD, LSD, CRD and RVD. The right answer is RVD. If the experimental field the fertility gradient is in one direction, then design used RVD. The next question is the concept of t-test is given by. Options are Gosset, Bernoulli, R.A. Fisher and Poisson. The right answer is Gosset. The concept of t-test is given by Gosset. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe it. Thank you.